Hello guys, and welcome to 10 in a nutshell. Today I will share with you 10 fun and creative date nights ideas. Number 1. Cooking challenge night. Collaborate in the kitchen for a cooking challenge night. Experiment with unique dishes or engage in a friendly cook-off. This culinary adventure encourages teamwork, sparks creativity, and offers the chance to savor the delicious results together. Number 2. Outdoor picnic under the stars. Elevate your date nights with a picturesque outdoor picnic. Pack a basket filled with your favorite foods and a cozy blanket. Enjoy your meal while basking in the starry night sky, creating an intimate and romantic atmosphere. Number 3. Heart jamming. Ignite your artistic spirits by participating in an art jamming session. Set up a creative space with canvas, paints, and brushes. Explore your artistic sides, share laughs, and bond over your unique creations. Number 4. Trivia or game night. Infuse excitement in your dates with a trivia or game night. Challenge each other's knowledge with trivia questions or engage in friendly competition with board games. This interactive date guarantees laughter and friendly rivalry. Number 5. DIY project date. Embark on a joint DIY project date. Select a project that piques both of your interests, whether it's crafting, building, or decorating. Spend the evening working together, turning your ideas into tangible creations. Number 6. Theme movie marathon. Create a cozy movie watching experience with a theme movie marathon. Choose a genre or theme you both love. Prepare popcorn and settle in for a night of cinematic adventures and shared emotions. Number 7. Explore your city as tourists. Rediscover your city from a night perspective by exploring it as tourists. Visit local attractions, dine at unfamiliar eateries, and stumble upon hidden gems you might have overlooked in your routine. Number 8. Karaoke night. Challenge your inner rock star with a karaoke night. Sing your hearts out to your favorite tunes from the comfort of your home or venture to a local karaoke spot for a lively night of musical entertainment. Number 9. Museum or art gallery tour. Immerse yourself in culture and creativity with a museum or art gallery tour. Engage in thought-provoking discussion as you appreciate art and exhibits, fostering meaningful connections and memorable conversations. Number 10. Virtual travel night. Embark on a virtual travel together by choosing a destination you've always wanted to visit. Research the culture, cuisine, and landmarks, and then recreate the experience at home. Cook traditional dishes, listen to local music, and explore virtual tours. This creative date allows you to explore the world from the comfort of your own space, fostering cultural explorations and a deeper connection between you both. These date night ideas offer a delightful mix of creativity, relaxation, and bonding moments, making your time together both enjoyable and unforgettable. If you enjoyed our content, like, share, subscribe, and comment your favorite date night activity. Until your next upload, take care.